Hello guys, it's been a while since I've done a video, and now I'm gonna do another all trails video. I don't know why I do that when I talk on here. Look away. Um, so I already done a couple all trail videos. I'm gonna do a little spin on this one, so it's not the same exact thing. It is a different location, uh, and I'm gonna do the only trail that is in Uvalde. For some reason, there's only one trail that's marked in Uvalde, and one of the different spins on this all trails is it's actually not going to be a hike. It's going to be a bike ride. And there's going to be one more spin on this, and you'll see it when we actually get to the beginning of the trailhead. Okay, guys, I made it to the, I guess you could call this the beginning or the end. Well, it's actually it's a out and back trail. It's on all trails. It says it's 0.7 miles. So I guess if you do it out and back, it's almost a mile and a half. And this is one end of it. And this part is towards the junior high. You can see the junior high is right over there. And I'm going to take off from here and go up to the park. I don't know if it always, I think it does go all the way through the park. And there's a lot of hills there, so I'm probably going to walk it when I get there, because my old 10-speed here that I bought for 20 bucks is kind of stuck in the high gears, or the hard to pedal gears, so it doesn't have any low gears to get up and down the hills. And the other part I'm doing is this is going to be on my hat, so I brought my hat cam mount, and I'll be riding it like that. I was gonna put it on this one, that mount, but I decided this will probably give me more of a better view. I could turn my head and look at stuff. And also there's gonna be one more thing. I have to set it up. Also, before I take off, I want to show you all this trash these people left out here. Look at this. Looks like somebody drank a whole 12-pack of beer out here. Real dirty. Come on, guys, pick up your trash. You had it in a bag, you might as well take it. Throw it in a dumpster or something.
3, 2, 1.
Oh boy. The signage on this trail says it connects the high school to the Memorial Park. Then it goes west towards the medical center, ending at the baseball fields. The sign is from 2014, and I don't know of any trail going towards the hospital and baseball fields. If anybody from Uvalde has info on that, let me know in the comments. The city of Uvalde and Texas Parks and Wildlife funded the trail and signage. Squirrel. Squirrel. Cat. Ooh, water's high. Reclaimed water. Recycled water. Water. Attack the hill. Come on. Woo. Man, my legs are burning. Whew. Been a good idea to practice that. Looks like this is all uphill, but a slow uphill, or I could get some. Dang, got mud all over me. Woo. There you go, guys. Long moved over there. So that's a trail. I'm gonna sit over here on my old man bench and take it easy, recoup. Woo. So that was a trail. Not long, made me tired though. But I'm not in the best of shape, so oops, not facing you. I'm not in the best of shape, so after I'm done with that, I gotta sit on the old man bench. Thank you guys for coming in, and I'll see you later. Bye. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and if you could, please watch some of our older videos or even a playlist to help us increase our watch hours so we could get monetized. Thank you all, and God bless.